Ah, waiting goes. Martin Noble, fast bien Remus, Moneyman, moving up by the Real Queen, is racing in port IMAX twining on a strong boy and para sa'yo is the early trailer, Moneyman, smart and noble by the Real. And on the outside is Remus. It's Moneyman by ahead, smart and noble down on the inside. And on the outside is 2A Remus. Queen is racing forward by some 5 lengths. Inside the last 602, a Remus is now the leader. Smart and noble by the rail. Moneyman draws back in third. Queen is racing forward by some 5 lengths. And a long way back to IMAX Strong Boy twining honor para sa'yo. Last 450, 2 runners fighting around for the lead. Smart and noble by the rail. Remus is on the outside. And during the last 250, Remus from the outside. Smart and noble down on the inside. Smart and noble Remus fighting around for the lead. Remus from the outside. Smart and noble down on the inside. Remus this time by a length and a half. Smart and noble. And during the finish line 2A. Remus, Smart and noble, Queen. Moneyman, Strong Boy, IMAX 20 Honor, and para sa'yo.